हेलो जी, सत श्री अकाल, नमस्ते, आदाब। सेंट सोलर टाइम्स तो मैं हाँ कोमल ਤੇ ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹਾਂ ਸੇਂਟ ਸੋਲਰ ਅਲਾਈਡ ਸਕੂਲ ਮੋਤੀ ਬਾਗ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਅੱਜ ਇੱਥੇ ਮੇਗਾ ਇਵੈਂਟ ਹੈ ਜਿਸ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਹੈ ਆਰੋਹਣ। ਸੋ ਟੈਲੈਂਟ ਹਰ ਬੱਚੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਲੇਕਿਨ ਟੈਲੈਂਟ ਨੂੰ ਜੋ ਸ਼ਿੰਗਾਰਦਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਫੈਕਲਟੀ ਮੈਂਬਰ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਗੁਰੂ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਟੀਚਰ। ਸੋ ਅੱਜ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਟੈਲੈਂਟ ਬੋਲਣ ਵਾਲਾ ਹੈ ਸਿਰ ਚੜ੍ਹ ਕੇ। ਆਓ ਅਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਇਸ ਇਵੈਂਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਬੱਚਾ ਆਪਣੀ ਪਰਫਾਰਮੈਂਸ ਨਾਲ ਮਾਨਵਤਾ ਦਾ ਯਾਨੀ ਕਿ ਸਾਰੀ ਆਡੀਅנס ਦਾ ਦਿਲ ਜਿੱਤਦਾ ਹੈ। ਜੱਜਿਸ ਆਪਣੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੇ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਸਹੀ ਨੇ, ਪਰ ਜਦੋਂ ਕੋਈ ਬੱਚਾ ਬਾਕਮਾਲ ਪਰਫਾਰਮੈਂਸ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ ਨੰਬਰ 1 ਤੇ ਉਹੀ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ। ਆਓ ਚਲਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਇਸ ਮੇਗਾ ਇਵੈਂਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੇ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਖਾਸ ਪਰਫਾਰਮੈਂਸਿਸ।
So, let's welcome our talented students. Remember, every performer on this stage started with a small step, a tiny practice and a lot of courage. Tonight is a proof that hard work, dedication and passion always win. Every big achievement begins with small steps, just like today's performers. Dreams don't work unless you do and are worked hard. Success is not for the chosen few. It's for the few who choose to work for it.
Are you all excited? Because we surely are to fill the stage with positive vibes and
energy. Let's begin our annual function with a delightful welcome dance. Get ready to tap your feet and feel the rhythm. Let's welcome them with a huge round of applause. Dearest audience, the beauty of our annual function is not just in the performances, but in the journey of every student who dare to stand, perform and shine. The stage is the mirror reflecting hard work, courage and passion. Let's remember, progress is progress no matter how small. In every dance, every song and every act today, we see the spirit of elite school, where talent meets hard work and dreams meet dedication. As we enjoy these performances, let us also remember, learning is not just in books, but in courage, creativity and the joy of expressing oneself.
We now invite the pillar of our institution, the visionary who leads us with wisdom and unwavering dedication, our respected Principal Ma'am, to present the annual report of our school. We request you, ma'am, to grace the stage and share the annual report of our school.
Media persons and parents, I welcome you all on this precious occasion in the school premises. It is my duty to present here the annual report of our institution. As we all know that 3 years back, our chairperson sir planted this tree, Saint Soldier Elite School, with strong vision and guidance. School proceeded with strong stand, and I am happy to announce that this year the school has got its affiliation with the ICSE board. this is a great news. The whole credit goes to our chairperson sir, vice chairperson ma'am, because of their guidance, strong determination and unwavering support made this dream a reality in a very short period of time. I must also acknowledge the valuable support of MD Sharma sir, whose consistent encouragement and involvement played a vital role in this accomplishment. Our management has always prioritized the safety and well-being of every child. Therefore, keeping in view our visionary chairperson took another commendable step by installing railings across the topmost areas of the school building. Saint Soldier Group of Institutions, a brand in itself, it is recognized as one of the largest and most influential educational group in India. It is known for its unwavering commitment to excellence, discipline, and holistic development of the students. Over the years, the group has created a strong educational network. It includes 35 schools and 22 colleges across the country. These institutions offer a wide spectrum of professional and academic courses such as engineering, hotel management, law, physiotherapy, education, and many more. The group has collaborated with foreign universities too. In addition to educational services, the group has initiated to Saint Soldier Hospital, a fully equipped with 100-bed healthcare institution which is dedicated to service of humanity, and every year crores of rupees are given to charity to Vanita Ashram, Kushtha Ashram, Pingalwada, and the Vidyalay, along with free education. We have our own school channel known as Saint Soldier Times, providing valuable information to everyone. Our group helped the flood-affected people in around 50 plus buses. The entire Saint Soldier group functions and flourishes under the supreme guidance, visionary leadership, and constant support of our management. Their dedication, futuristic approach, and strong commitment to quality education continue to inspire all. Under the guidance of our management, our school is to grow into a modern future-ready institutions. The classrooms are fully air-conditioned, it equipped with smart class technology, creating a student-friendly environment. The entire campus remains 24/7 CCTV surveillance, reflecting our management's deep concern for the children. Looking ahead, our management has planned another remarkable step. They upgrading our existing laboratories into advanced robotics and AI labs in the upcoming year. This forward thinking by our management will empower our students with hands-to exposure to cutting edge confidently in the world of tomorrow. Their constant motivation and guidance have enabled the institution to progress day by day with renewed energy and confidence. With the continued cooperation of our parents, the dedication of our teachers, and the strong support of our management, we are confident that our institution will achieve many new milestones and set new records in the years to come. Despite having very limited time at hand, our students have worked tirelessly and successfully to organize a grand and memorable show which is known as Arohan. The entire school team is always ready to discharge their duties wholeheartedly for the growth and promotion of our institution. We stand committed to nurturing our children into motivated and responsible citizens of tomorrow. Their all-round personality development is our foremost priority. I am highly indebted to our chief guest, MD Sir, Asha Ma'am, Ritu Ma'am, distinguished guests, media persons, parents and other dignitaries for sparing their valuable time to grace this occasion. Thank you very much and enjoy the show. Thank you.
What a wonderful display of talent. Let's cheer loudly for our juniors and seniors alike.
Oh, out of control, oh, don't go karke goal. Yeah, oh, don't go karke goal. सीटी बजा के बोल. Life oh, out of control, oh, don't go karke goal. Oh, don't go karke goal. सीटी बजा के बोल.
When we nurture it with love and guidance, it turns into brilliance. Courage is not the absence of fear. It's the decision that something else is more important. Today's performers choose courage. As these young talents step on stage, they remind us that the future is not something we wait for. It's something we create. Excellence is a habit, and our students are mastering it one performance at a time. Hope shines the brightest in young hearts, and today the stage is glowing with their hope and their potential. In every dance, every song, and every act today we see the spirit of elite school, where talent meets hard work and dreams meet dedication. The stage is a mirror reflecting hard work, courage, and passion. Let's remember, progress is progress, no matter how small. Dreams don't work unless you do, and our participants have worked hard. But the spirit they carry. Each smile on stage is the story of confidence earned. Talent needs a stage, and today we are honored to witness it.
Wow! Something is very funny and exciting here in between us. Doraemon! Everyone wants to, say hi to you. Yes, we are happy to see you here, out of the TV. Oh, he's so happy with the kids only. Okay.
Each smile on stage is the story of confidence earned. Talent needs a stage, and today we are honored to witness it. Let's appreciate not just the performers, but the spirit they carry. What a beautiful moment to celebrate creativity and unity.
So actually, Doraemon is here having one child in his hands. Oh, even the parents are excited. Yes, I can see the full smile on his face. Yes, you can have a pic with the Doraemon.
world. And tonight we witness dream turning into reality. Remember, every performer on this stage started with a small step, a tiny practice and a lot of courage. Tonight is a proof that hard work, dedication and passion always win. As we enjoy these performances, let us also remember that learning is not just in the books, but in the courage and creativity.
Brazilian rhythm activated, English brain deactivated.
Yes, dear, Brazil is far away, but our cute thoughts are bringing the fun right here. With tiny steps and happy faces, let's welcome our nursery superstars on stage. Dear audience, your energy, applause and encouragement make this stage magical. Every clap you give inspire our stars to reach higher and shine brighter. So let's appreciate them with a big round of applause. but the spirit they carry. Each smile on stage is the story of confidence earned. Talent needs a stage, and today we honor to witness it. Just relax and let positivity fill the air.
What a beautiful moment to celebrate creativity and unity. Children are proof that possibilities are endless. Give them a stage and they create magic. In learning you will teach, and in teaching you will learn. Today's performances reflect that beautiful cycle. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for an engaging and thought-provoking performance. Our talented students are here to present a play that highlights why our leaders should be educated and responsible and why ignorance has no place in leadership. Let's welcome them to the stage with a huge round of applause.
इस तरह की हस्तियाँ जहाँ भी जाती हैं वहाँ ठहाके और हंगामे बेशुमार होते हैं।
तो दिल थाम कर बैठिए मेरे भाइयों और उनकी बहनों, तो यहाँ नेताजी आने ही वाले हैं।
क्या हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, क्या कर रहे हो? नेताजी आ रहे हैं हमारे, नेताजी आ रहे हैं। हाँ, बंद करो इसे।
नेताजी ध्यान से उठिए।
नमस्कार। मेरी बेड़ी बहनों और उनके बन बहादुर भाइयों, सॉरी, मेरी बड़ी बहनों और उनके बन बहादुर भाइयों, आप सबको मेरा तहे दिल से नमस्कार। और जो कोई पढ़ने लिखने में ठीक ठाक है उनको भी मेरा नमस्कार, और जो चिट चैट में फिट फाट है उनको भी मेरा नमस्कार, और जो अपनी गाड़ी से आए हैं उनको भी मेरा नमस्कार, जो स्कूल की गाड़ी से ठूस के लेकर आए हैं उनको भी मेरा नमस्कार।
तो नेताजी ये बताइए कि आपके साथ ये लोग कौन हैं?
ये है मेरा असाइनमेंट।
अरे नेताजी, असाइनमेंट नहीं, असिस्टेंट हूँ आपका।
अरे नेता तो है कि मैं हूँ?
अरे नेता तो आप ही हैं।
तो फिर, और ये दोनों है मेरे बॉडीगार्ड।
अरे नेताजी, बॉडीगार्ड नहीं, बॉडीगार्ड होता है।
मैं तुम्हें करने में जा रहा हूँ।
अरे नेताजी आइए।
करने में जा रहा हूँ।
आइए नेताजी।
तो ये था मेरा परिचय, आप सबका धन्यवाद।
तो आइए नेताजी, हमारे स्टूडियो में आपका स्वागत है।
तो आइए नेताजी, अपना स्थान ग्रहण कीजिए। अरे तुम तो कह रहे थे स्थान ग्रहण करो, अब ये चारपाई कहाँ है? अरे नेताजी, स्टूडियो में चारपाई नहीं, चेयर ही होती है। अरे अब ये चेयर क्या होती है?
अरे वही जो आपको दूसरों से खींच कर दी गई है।
अच्छा, तो कुर्सी बोलो ना।
जी नेताजी। क्या कर रहे हैं नेताजी? इज्जत से बैठिए ना।
अरे इज्जत कौन है? बुलाओ, इज्जत के साथ बैठ जाते हैं।
नहीं नेताजी, मेरा मतलब थोड़ा अच्छे से बैठिए ना।
क्या कर रहे हैं? हटाओ यार इसे यहाँ से। अरे बेवकूफ, मुझे नहीं, उसे उठाना था। फालतू का पैसा ले रहे मुझसे। चलिए नेताजी, आइए बैठिए।
तो चलिए नेताजी, शुरू करते हैं।
जी कीजिए शुरू।
तो ये बताइए नेताजी कि आपका जन्म कहाँ हुआ था?
क्या बकवास कर रहे हो?
अरे मेरा मतलब था कि इंडिया के कौन से इलाके में आपका जन्म हुआ था?
फिर से वही बकवास बात। इलाके तो कुत्तों के होते हैं, मैं तो अपने घर पर पैदा हुआ हूँ।
नहीं नेताजी, मेरा मतलब था कि इंडिया के कौन से इलाके के कौन से घर में आप पैदा हुए हैं?
अजीब आदमी है यार। अब एक दिन के बच्चे को क्या मालूम कौन से घर में पैदा हुआ है? तब तो मेरी आंखें बंद थी ना। चलिए छोड़िए नेताजी, आपसे थोड़ी जनरल नॉलेज की बातें कर लेते हैं। जी बिल्कुल कीजिए। नेताजी बताइए। एक मिनट, अब ये जनरल नॉलेज क्या होती है?
अरे वो भी सामान्य ज्ञान।
अच्छा, समान और ज्ञान। हाँ, कीजिए। नेताजी बताइए, चांद पर पहला कदम किसने रखा? अरे अम्मा स्टोन ने रखा था।
नहीं, अम्मा स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं, नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग होता है।
हाँ, वही नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग। तो नेताजी बताइए, चांद पर दूसरा कदम किसने रखा था? अजीब आदमी यार, जिसने पहला कदम रखा होगा उसी ने तो दूसरा कदम रखा होगा ना। छोड़िए नेताजी, कॉलर छोड़िए नेताजी।
चलो नेताजी, ये सब छोड़िए, थोड़ी राजनीति की बातें कर लेते हैं।
जी बिल्कुल हो जाए।
तो नेताजी ये बताइए कि आपकी सरकार कैसी चल रही है?
हमारी सरकार राम भरोसे।
राम भरोसे मतलब?
ये है ना राम, मेरा असाइनमेंट। सारा काम तो यही करता है, मैं तो सब अंगूठा लगाता हूँ, अंगूठा। ये राज की बात है, किसी को बताना मत।
तो नेताजी ये बताइए, पिछले हफ्ते आपके बगल वाले गांव में आग लगी थी, आपने गांव वाले के लिए क्या किया?
गाँव वाले के लिए जो लोग घायल हुए थे उनको मैंने शमशान घाट पहुंचवा दिया था। हाँ, खींच 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 मेरी फोटो, पूरी जानी चाहिए मेरी फोटो। और जो लोग मर गए थे उनको मैंने हॉस्पिटल पहुंचवा दिया था। 5 साइंटिस्ट गए, 5 साइंटिस्ट।
नेताजी जिंदाबाद, नेताजी जिंदाबाद। तो नेताजी ये बताइए, आपका डेमोक्रेसी के बारे में क्या ख्याल है?
क्या
डेमोक्रेसी?
अभी डेमोक्रेसी क्या होती है?
अरे नेताजी वही लोकतंत्र।
अच्छा अच्छा, चुम्मा ले रहा क्या? हटाओ इसकी वहां से।
अरे छोड़ो उसे, क्या कर रहे हो? हमारा कैमरामैन है वो, छोड़ो उसे। कैमरामैन क्या कर रहे हो? अच्छे से शूट करो। तो नेताजी ये बताइए, आपने जनता के लिए क्या किया है?
नहीं, पहले हम डेमोक्रेसी के बारे में बताएंगे।
जैसे आपकी इच्छा नेताजी।
देखिए, डेमोक्रेसी के बारे में हमारा ये कहना है कि जनता के पैसे से जनता की ऐसी की तैसी, वो है डेमोक्रेसी।
उठिए नेताजी उठिए, यहाँ बैठिए। नेताजी आप बात बात पर भावुक क्यों हो जाते हैं? अपनी फीलिंग्स पर कंट्रोल रखिए ना।
अरे पहली बार इतना प्यार मिल रहा है ना।
तो चलिए नेताजी ये बताइए, आपने जनता के लिए क्या किया है?
घोटाले किए, घोटाले।
अरे जोर जोर से बोल कर लोगों को स्कीमें बता रहे हो। पिछले साल हमने कमल बांटे तो थे ना।
मतलब आपने जनता को कंबल बंटवाए थे?
अरे जनता को कंबल नहीं बंटवाए थे, इन दोनों पागलों को कंबल बंटवाए थे। खा खा के सुअर हो चुके हैं।
सुअर बोल रहे हैं नेताजी, सुधर जाओ सुधर।
हाँ, सुधर गया भी, सुधर गया।
तो नेताजी ये बताइए कि आपकी पार्टी का चुनाव चिन्ह क्या है?
हमारी पार्टी का चुनाव चिन्ह जूता छाप। अरे ऐसा जूता तेरे मुंह पे मारेगा ना, छप जाएगा। उठाओ यार इसको।
अरे छोड़ो यार, क्या कर रहे हो? बात बात पर कैमरामैन को उठाए चलो। कैमरामैन क्या कर रहे हो? इधर आओ, यहाँ शूट करो।
ये सब छोड़िए नेताजी, ये बताइए कि आप जनता को क्या संदेश देना चाहते हैं?
देखिए, हम जनता को ये संदेश देना चाहते हैं कि भारी बहुमत से हमें विजय बनाएं, और जो चाय से ना माने हम उसको दारू पिलाएंगे।
क्या कर रहे हैं नेताजी, क्या कर रहे हैं? हमने आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा, आपने जनता के लिए क्या किया है जिन्होंने आपको वोट दिए? आपने उनके बच्चों के लिए क्या किया है जो आपके पार्टी के साथ है? क्या आपने उनके लिए स्कूल कॉलेज बनवाए हैं?
एक मिनट, तुम होते ही कौन हो मुझसे सवाल पूछने वाले? आखिर मैं तुम्हारी बात का जवाब क्यों दूं?
कदम छोड़िए नेताजी, कदम छोड़िए। नेताजी हम देश के चौथे पिलर हैं, हम मीडिया है, हमारे पास हक है सवाल पूछने का, आपको जवाब देना ही पड़ेगा।
हाँ तो पूछते रहिए, करते रहिए इंटरव्यू, और मैं तुम्हारी किसी बात का जवाब नहीं दूंगा।
आपको जवाब देना ही पड़ेगा नेताजी।
नेताजी आपका फोन आ रहा है।
हेलो, हाँ आ रहा हूँ मैं। चलिए उठाइए कुर्सी, बहुत जरूरी फोन आया है।
छोड़िए, हमारे स्टूडियो की कुर्सी है।
नहीं छोड़ेंगे, जो कुर्सी हम एक बार पकड़ लेते हैं उसे हम छोड़ते नहीं हैं।
छोड़ो उसे। तो देखा आपने हमारी लापरवाही का नतीजा। हम वोटर्स हैं, हम इन्हें वोट देते हैं और ये हमारे देश में घोटाले करते हैं। तो कृपया अपनी वोट को अच्छी जगह पर दें और अच्छे नेता को पाए, नहीं तो आपको ऐसा घोटाला नेता ही मिलेगा।
हम वोटर्स हैं और आज का भविष्य भी, तो इसलिए अपनी वोट को अच्छे से यूज करें और अच्छे नेता को पाएं।
थैंक यू।
Our talented performers have shown us why education is essential for those in leadership. Let's applaud them for delivering such an important message in such an engaging way. Every performance you see today is a reminder that growth begins the moment we step out of our comfort zone. Great things are never born out of luck. They are built with dedication, discipline, and a dream. Confidence is not something we find, it's something we create. Today, our students are creating it with every step they take on this stage. Children are proof that possibilities are endless. Give them a stage and they create magic. चलो जी, हमारे नन्हे मुन्ने कलाकार मंच पर अपने धमाकेदार नृत्य दिखाने आ रहे हैं.
Get ready for beats, energy and pure Haryanvi masti. Our little performers are going to make stage alive. So let's welcome them with a big round of applause.
A vibrant display of tradition, talent and pure energy. This Haryanvi dance truly entertains us all. Strength doesn't come from what we can already do. It's come from overcoming what we once thought we could not. Every child here carries a spark. When we nurture it with love and guidance, it turns into brilliance. Courage is not for the absence of fear. It's a decision that something else is more important. Today's performers chose courage.
Hope shines the brightest in young hearts. Today the stage is glowing with their hope and their potential. Ladies and gentlemen, talent is not about performing. It's about daring to dream and taking the stage and sharing your passion with the world. And tonight we witness dreams turning into reality. In every dance, every song and every act today we see the spirit of elite school, where talent meets hard work and dreams meet dedication. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for smiles, energy and lots of fun. Our little stars are here to light up the stage with their joyful performance. Please put their hands together and welcome them as they dance to Bam Bam Bole Masti Mein Dole with a big round of applause.
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई
Every performance you see today is the reminder that growth begins the moment we step out of our comfort zone. Great things are never born out of luck. We are built with dedication, dreams, and discipline. Confidence is not something we find, it's something we create.
Be alert because the cutest storm of talent is about to hit the stage. Our lovely girls of class 3rd and 4th are ready with their khagras, their grace and their gorgeous smiles. Get ready for the colorful Rajasthani performance, Rangilo Maro Dholna. Let's welcome them. Every performance you see today is a reminder that growth begins the moment we step out of our comfort zone. So let's welcome them with a big round of applause.
The beauty of our mega event is not just in the performances, but in the journey of every student who dare to stand, perform and shine. As we enjoy these performances, let us also remember, learning is not just in books, but in courage, creativity and the joy of expressing oneself. Remember, every performer on this stage started with a small step, a tiny practice and a lot of courage. Tonight is a proof that hard work, dedication and passion always
dear parents. It's my humble request to please take your seats. And please don't ask for your words right now. They are with their teachers and they are totally comfortable. Yes, we assure you, your words are totally comfortable there. Please don't ask them, don't take them, and let's enjoy the function with us.
Where flowers whisper, hills smile, and innocence dances with the wind.
Are you talking about Kashmir?
Yes, exactly. Presenting our tiny shining stars of class 1, dancing to the soulful Kashmiri melody, Bhumro Bhumro. So please welcome them, these little snowflakes, on the stage with a big round of applause.
a tiny practice and a lot of courage. Today is a proof that hard work, dedication and passion always wins. As we enjoy these performances, let us also remember, learning is not just in books, but in courage, creativity and the joy of expressing oneself. Every big achievement begins with one small step, just like today's performers.
Today we are about to witness a divine journey through time. Our talented students are going to bring the life of two avatars of Lord Vishnu, from the righteous Lord Ram to the playful Lord Krishna and beyond. Through their performance, they will showcase the values of courage, devotion and the righteousness that these avatars represent. So please welcome them with a round of applause.
शुक्लां वरदरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं
performance that not only entertain but uplifts. Such an act brings alive the spirit of devotion, righteousness and the courage value that guide us in every walk of life.
Strength doesn't come from what we can already do. It comes from overcoming what we once thought we couldn't. Every child here carries a spark. When we nurture it with love and guidance, it turns into a brilliance. Courage is not the absence of fear, it's the decision that something else is more important. And today's performers chose courage. As these young talents step on stage, they remind us that the future is not something we wait for, it's something we create. Dear audience, let's now move towards the majestic land of Maharashtra, a land known for forts, festivals and fearless traditions, and one of its most captivating cultural treasure, Lavani dance. Let's welcome our girls with a huge round of applause.
Amazing performance, girls, truly majestic. Every big achievement begins with one small step. Just like today's performers, dreams don't work unless you do, and our participants have worked hard. Success is not for the chosen few, it's for the few who choose for it. Each smile on stage is the story of confidence earned. Sit back, relax, and let positivity fill the air. What a beautiful moment to celebrate creativity and unity. Let's appreciate not just the performers but the spirit they carry. Talent needs a stage and today we honor to witness it. अब हम आपको ले चलेंगे उस जज्बे की ओर जहां देशभक्ति दिलों में धड़कती है और शहादत का रंग तिरंगे को और गहरा कर देता है। आज के हमारे विद्यार्थी पहलगाम सिंदूर ऑपरेशन पर आधारित एक शानदार प्रस्तुति देने वाले
confidence and creativity on the stage. A big round of applause for them once again, please. The amazing cast who made this performance so memorable.
Let's appreciate not just the performers but the spirit they carry. Each smile on stage is the story of confidence earned. Talent needs a stage and today we honor to witness it. What a beautiful moment to celebrate creativity and unity. The stage is the mirror reflecting hard work and courage. Let's remember, progress is progress no matter how small. Dreams begin work unless you do and our participants have worked hard.
Good evening, ma'am. Our worthy chief guest, ma'am, Mrs. Zitu Chawla, ma'am, is here with us, our MD of St. Social Groups. So, dear parents, please give them a big round of applause and let's welcome our ma'am over the stage and share a few words with us.
Honorable MD Mrs. Zitu Chawla, Principal Mrs. Anuradha Junreda, distinguished guests, parents and my dear children. I am a little bit confused that from where I should start. All the items I have seen and all are appreciable. And I have seen that our worthy counselor is also with us and she enjoyed the program in such a way, and these all are happy moments for us. If I am taking each and every item from beginning to now coming to end, good efforts have been put in by principal and her team. And whatsoever I have learned, they have tried 100% participation of each and every student on the dais, on the stage. And it is a big thing that how they have prepared. She was telling me I have got few less days from the management side, but a remarkable, wonderful program she has given. The worthy chairman and our respected worthy chairperson were coming, but due to their some emergency they could not come. On their behalf, I welcome all of you in this beautiful program, and I hope I see that these are the efforts of the parents that they have given us a big support. Now they are in the pandal. Again, these are the happiest moments for them, and they can see how beautiful, wonderful and perfect training is being given to their wards. 3 years back, our management started this school, and within 3 years, a marvelous achievement has been done. As principal announced in her report that school has been affiliated with the ICSE board. This is a big thing, and I hope your continuous support of the parents is required in this matter, and we will go ahead with your blessings only, and we will get the desired results. Thank you. I will not take much time because this is the time for the performance of other students too. On behalf of our management, I again convey you thanks from the management and from our.
Get ready for some full-on masti, beats and energy. Feel the rhythm of Punjab, feel the heartbeats of feel, and let your hands clap to the high spirit of dance. Every move, every beat, and every step reflected passion, precision, and pure Bhangra spirit. Truly phenomenal.
Now, I humbly request our worthy principal ma'am and chief guest, our MG ma'am, Mrs. Ritu Chawla, to please come forward. Their visionary guidance, constant support, and dedication to grace our occasion, that is Arohan.
जागो
with utmost respect, I want to invite Vardi MD sir and our MD ma'am to please come forward. As our chief guest sir, Sardar Satpal Singh ji is here. I request you sir to please come forward. Dear parents, please give them a big round. I'm Arohan. It's my honor to extend the vote of thanks. Our deepest gratitude to our respected MD sir, MD ma'am, and the other dignitaries, plus the parents, all respected persons who have joined us today. A heartfelt thanks to the guests, to media persons, and all other dignitaries. Thank you so much for taking out your precious time. Finally, big thanks to our parents. Finally, a big round of applause for our students, our heart of today's celebration. Please give them a big round of applause. Now at last, I request you all to please stand up. It's the last ceremony of our grand event, that is National Anthem. I request you all. Stage of our Gagan sir. So sir, please join us also on the stage. With full smile.
With full shouting on my counting 3, 2, 1.
I am Anuradha Juneja, the principal of St. Soldier Elite School, Moti Bagh. Today we have organized our annual function Arohan 2025. It was a great success, and all because of the blessings of our chairperson and vice chairperson ma'am, and it is also the hard work of parents, students, and especially my team members. I thanked all the parents, teachers, and especially participants. They have spent a lot of hard work in doing that. Thank you so much.
Good evening. Myself S.R. Sharma, MD St. Soldier Group of Institutions, Jalandhar. Today, this responsibility was assigned to me by Chairperson ma'am that annual function has to be conducted, and as a guest I visited, but I am pleased to say that a very good and remarkable function has been presented by the school team, particularly principal and her team put their best efforts to maintain the decorum. Number of parents was the excellent one, pandal was fully covered, and I am happy that everybody went satisfied. Each and every item presented on the stage was equivalent, and there is no comment on one negative. Each and everyone was excellent. So I believe that school is doing very well, and in future they will keep it up, and I bless all the students to go ahead with the blessings of chairman and vice chairperson. Thank you very much.
ਹੈਲੋ ਗਾਇਸ, ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ, ਨਮਸਤੇ ਆਦਾਬ। ਅੱਜ ਸੇਂਟ ਸੋਲਜਰ ਅਲਾਈਡ ਸਕੂਲ ਮੋਤੀ ਬਾਗ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੇਗਾ ਇਵੈਂਟ ਕਰਵਾਇਆ ਗਿਆ, ਜਿਸ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਸੀ ਆਰੋਹਨ। ਟੈਲੈਂਟ ਤਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰਾ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਹਰ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਕਮਰ ਕੱਸੀ ਹੋਈ ਸੀ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਜੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਵੱਲ ਨੂੰ ਨੰਬਰ 1 ਦਿਖਾਉਣ ਲਈ। ਸੋ ਅੱਜ ਹਰੇਕ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੇ ਬਾਕਮਾਲ ਪਰਫਾਰਮੈਂਸ ਦਿੱਤੀ। ਜੇ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਗਿੱਧੇ ਭੰਗੜੇ ਨੇ ਪੂਰੀ ਆਡੀਅנס ਦਾ ਦਿਲ ਮੋਹ ਲਿਆ, ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਹੁਤ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਇਵੈਂਟ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਨਾਲ ਇੱਕ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਵੀ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਸਮੇਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੋਬਾਈਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹਾਂ। ਮੋਬਾਈਲ ਤੋਂ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਦੂਰ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਓਨਾ ਹੀ ਵਧੀਆ ਹੈ। ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਟ੍ਰੈਫਿਕ ਤੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਰੂਲ ਨੂੰ ਫੋਲੋ ਕਰੋ, ਕਦੀ ਵੀ ਗੱਡੀ ਚਲਾਉਂਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਮੋਬਾਈਲ ਨਾ ਚੁੱਕੋ। ਸੋ ਮੋਬਾਈਲ ਬਹੁਤ ਘਾਤਕ ਬਿਮਾਰੀ ਬਣਦੀ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। ਇਸਤੇਮਾਲ ਕਰੋ ਸਿਰਫ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਕਿ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਲੋੜ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਅੱਜ ਸੇਂਟ ਸੋਲਜਰ ਅਲਾਈਡ ਸਕੂਲ ਮੋਤੀ ਬਾਗ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਗਏ ਇਸ ਮੇਗਾ ਇਵੈਂਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 2025 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਤੇ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇਵੈਂਟ ਹੈ ਯਾਦਗਾਰ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ। ਸੇਂਟ ਸੋਲਜਰ ਟਾਈਮਸ ਤੋਂ ਕਮਲ ਸ਼ਰਮਾ ਰਿਪੋਰਟ, ਕੈਮਰਾਮੈਨ ਅਨੁਰਾਗ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ।